Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Artist. My name is Rick.
And I'm Wayne. So today we'll be showcasing a two-room flexi, consists of Bohemian style. So let's go! So welcome to my home. Okay, so as you can see, this is actually the walkway incorporated with the living room itself, as we are using wood slate tiles to stack it all over. Okay, so where's the DB box? It's actually over here. So we use up a cabinet to conceal it up. So you see the whole house, right? There's a LED, very long stretch, from the foyer all the way to the living room. This is actually to create up an ambience for the owner. So as you can see, for the living room, it's quite cozy, am I right? Our owners actually prefer a free-spirited lifestyle. So for the sofas, the carpet, and also the TV consoles and dining table, all in different color tones. This is actually for electric style to incorporate with the heritage style. What do I mean by heritage style? As you can see over here, there's a cabinet, a mirror, and also a hanging light. This is actually imported from India itself. For the mirror, wow, hard label, man. We carry out for 20 plus stories high. Okay, why? Because the lift itself can't even fit in. Head over to the main bedroom. As you can see over here, for the altar itself, it's actually customized to fit this wall itself. But no worries, this one confirm can fit into the lift. Okay, so coming into the main bedroom, you see there's a termination. So this termination itself is a 3D tiles. Why? To bring in the heritage from the living room into the bedroom. Okay, beside me is a wardrobe. This is where our clients put their clothes over here. As for the painting itself, we are not using just normal painting. It's lime wash painting to bring out the characteristic of the house.
Okay, coming into the owner's kitchen, we have a dry pantry here, incorporated with a tall unit, with a built-in microwave and oven. So as you can see with all the accessories here, the owner loves to bake. Looking at the whole kitchen, guess what? Where's the fridge? It's right here. So as you can see, for the kitchen cabinets here are packed with a Victorian shaker design, and also we match it with a designer subway tiles and a Vulcan worktop with wood finishes. And also the LED here is a 3-tier for maximum ambience, bringing out the elegance for the owner. Alright, so here we are at the owner's bathroom. So over here, we constructed a customized vanity for storage purposes and a top mount sink. Okay, so for this, we constructed a wall to segregate the wet and dry area for the bathroom with open niches at both ends for the owners to place their daily necessities. And over here at the shower area, we actually did a feature wall with a 60 by 120 tile so that it would look more prominent. And as for the lighting, we actually extended the box up and we placed a LED so that we can create an ambience for the owner.
So we have come to the end of our house tour. Hope you guys like our video. And this is our house owner, Balan. He has something to share.
Remember to like, share and subscribe.
Signing off. Bye-bye.